Okay guys, so I think I'll just make this a natural video. But welcome back to, well, I don't know what it is, it's like a video a slash title thing about what's going on. Now as you can see in the background, I am on a different world. Now there's a lot of people, well not a lot, I haven't told them yet, but basically I like there's a, what if I told you there was server software that allowed you to play a true cross compatible versions. So for example, Java Edition, no, Bedrock Edition can play with Java players. Well, here it is. You are looking at the server. Now, I have read the articles and they say that it's not yet ready for production. So this will be ready as of either Network Rebrand 3.0 or 4.0. We haven't decided yet. But this dude, this is just so cool. Now, I'm on Bedrock, as you can see. If we do /version, it says Craft Pocket. Now, you probably heard of this if you're a Java user or Spigot, whatever. That's actually a Java Edition server software. Now, this is not Pocket Mine anymore. This is technically Spigot, but I've managed to add cross-compatible gameplay between the two in MCPE, which basically means you can play with any Java Edition or MCPE user, basically cross-compatible. So it's pretty cool. Now, there is expected to be some bugs and lag there and there for Bedrock, but it's just currently in alpha or beta stages of this, but there is some features I did want to go over. Now, this is nowhere near complete yet, guys. Just keep in mind there is a lot of broken features that we haven't, well, that they haven't fixed yet, but hopefully it will be fixed very, very soon. I'm not sure when yet, but hopefully it's going to be fixed very soon. But this is actually a Java Edition server, but I managed to get my server on my Minecraft Bedrock Edition to join the Java Edition server. You're probably wondering what is the software called. Now it is actually public. It is called Geyser. Now if you don't know what Geyser is the best server software. Not server software, it's like a plugin. You can put it download as well, but it can be a plugin. You can either use it on Bunch-Cord, Spigot, Paper, Spigot, Waterdog, whatever you call it. I think Waterdog supports it, but hopefully. But this is got everything. This Geyser is the best true compatible gameplay between the two. And thanks to Geyser, we managed to get our server to Java from Bedrock. So this is Java Edition server software, but Bedrock Edition users can join. Now this is, as I said, nowhere near complete, so don't go get your hopes up. Don't say this, when is it releasing, because it's nowhere near to releasing. Now the Network Rebrand 2.0 will be releasing as per usual, but this will not come with it because this has got too much work to go for. This is just like a project of mine, not a project, but I just wanted to wait until the 3.0 or 4.0, or at least until it's more stable. Now, good thing about it, it does support most plugins, I believe. Every time I've installed one, it does support it. There's no crashes, no bugs, or like crashes, bugs, or whatever. There is some major bugs like lag, but that's about it. But as I said, it's nowhere near to complete, so it may be unstable for some people. Now there is a bug, as I said, where lag will occur and you'll be kicked from the server, but that, I don't know why that happens. I don't know if it's the host or it's I don't know if it's guys are doing that. But yeah, and in today's video I want to show you things that we might be adding to the Network Rebrand 4.0 or 3.0. It hasn't been decided which version it's going to be yet, but hopefully by one or the two it will be released. Now keep in mind, guys, yes, I'm not sure if this will be a separate IP because I might add it to the Geyser, no, to the Bunch-Cord, the VoidMiner PE hub, but that's not been decided. Now, in the future, and if this is more stable in the upcoming feature, we might put all our servers into this server software. Not software, but it's this plugin. So basically, we'll make all the servers we have Spigot and cross-compatible. So that's good to come. It may come in 5.0 or 6. We're not sure yet. It is still in the works, as I said. Now, what this means is I have to learn. Well, I don't have to, but if I wanted to, I could possibly learn Java coding, because obviously it's bigger Java, whatever. It comes from Java, so all the coding written is from Java. So I might have to quit PHP and start making plugins on Java. But most of the things I don't actually have to make because there's so many unique plugins on Java than Bedrock. So the good thing about this is this is one of the only cross-compatible gameplay for Bedrock Edition. Now, if you want to play, say, Skyblock, well, you have that. You can just play Skyblock. If you want to play factions, well, you can play factions. You can play any of them, which is pretty dope indeed. So if you wanna play Skyblock, like Skyblock, I don't know, any Skyblock, then we may add that. But this is just very good to be true. Now it is true. But anyway, I'm gonna go through all the things that we may be adding. As I said, keep in mind, you know, if some things might be broken. Like, I don't know, just anything that you see in a video. Okay, so that's that done. First of all, now as you can see, you put it on zero. What actually you're holding now looks very OP. Well, it does. And I'm gonna go through this in just a minute. But basically, these are the custom enchants. And it's not being configured properly yet. I might add my own custom enchants because there is actually a feature on Java where you can actually create your own custom enchant without coding knowledge. So it's pretty dope. I actually like that idea, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be advanced or it's going to be something that I can't edit if anything's possible to do with it. I don't know, but we'll wait and see. I'll probably create a few enchants, see how that goes, and see if it works. But none of that. So basically, these are the custom enchants. So you've got heroic spiked Viking helmet. Now you've already found that familiar from other Java servers like Cosmic. I think it was Cosmic, but some of the servers. But we might actually rename or rebrand it to our own custom enchant plugin, so we can have our own names and whatnot. But you got Frozen One, Implants, Death Brigand. Now that's the normal thing sometimes you get in Bedrock. But then you've got Shockwave, which I mean, some Bedrock editions you have a lot of custom enchants, but nothing like this. This is quite decent. Now this is all ported from Java to Bedrock, so it's not really ported, it's like cross-compatible gameplay, which means that I can join a Java edition server if I really want to. And the good thing about it is you actually get a plugin where you don't require a Java edition account to play on a Java edition server. But that requires that's probably the only unique thing about this server is the fact that we don't require a Java edition account to actually enter. So if you want to join on your Bedrock Edition account, you can without needing of Java. Now there is a not downside, but there is a tip. Now as you can see, the star and then O into place MC. That I think that just shows that your Xbox. It's kind of better to do all that so it doesn't conflict with other people's names. So like, because my other alt is 0 plays MC, but my Java Edition account is also 0 plays MC. So I would have the star with the Xbox then. And the Java account would have no star, I think. So it's pretty dope. I like that idea because big thanks for the devs, by the way, for doing this. And again, I really want to say thank you guys for putting this out, for making this actual true possibility. Now I don't know what this is going to do with my PHP career, but just say that this is going to be the best experience you ever have. But there is going to be some bugs here and there, so just keep in mind. Like not being able to put this, but I think that's just a Minecraft bug. But you know, anyway, so you've got custom enchants, and I'll show you the G kits, and we have got that as well. We've got G kits, and we've got enchanter, and we've got a lot, and I mean a lot of features. Just stay tuned. And yes, so you've got Axe of the Dwarvish Gods, which is I assume it's a custom name of custom enchant. It is pretty cool. Now notice these enchants, there's like 200 plus enchants around here, so it's gonna be a pretty fun time, not gonna lie. Now there is 200 plus total, but I'm not sure how many there is in this plugin, but well, how much this plugin configuration has, but you know. Now you got Fire Expert. Now good thing about this is all the enchants do work. There is some bugs here and there with enchantments and putting the enchantments on the book, like if you were to put that on here, it wouldn't show the enchantment effect. Now that is a bug. I think it still works. I think enchants still do work. It just kind of doesn't enchant properly. Like it doesn't. It does still work. Don't worry. I think it does still work. It just doesn't show the enchant particle like the others. I think that's a bug when you try and interact with the sword between the book and the sword, and the plugin thinks to do that, but this is Bedrock, so it doesn't do that. I don't know. But yeah, so it does work. Obliterate. So Obliterate is in the game as well. Now we are going to be looking at a list of enchantments that you can get. Now first we're going to start with G kits. So if I clear my inventory, Oh, thank you for doing that. I'm gonna go into fly if I can do that. I'm already in fly, never mind. But if you basically do G-kit, now a good thing it makes a noise as well. But basically, the GCIs also work with this, so you can basically have most plugins installed with this. But you've got this is going to be changed entirely, probably very soon. But this is just an example of what it's going to look like as the interface wise. So you've got a heroic, and then you've got all this. So you can basically get it's like kits, but G kits, like global kits and that. And then you can it's like a kit system, but with custom enchants, I guess. So you got all of these nice GC armor right here and sword and stuff like that. Now this is unconfirmed if all of them will work, but it all depends on anything. But you can get all of these. You can get any of these. I think they have a cooldown as well, but ignore the thing. I haven't configured this at all yet, so might not. It might just seem like I've bought it from somewhere, but I really haven't. This is part of the plugin. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, I need to. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. I did not know there was. I did not know Java had less rows than Bedrock. Whoops. Okay, I never knew that. I think it might be on 1.8. I'm not sure about if it's on the Java edition itself. I assume it's Java edition itself, but don't know. So yeah, as you can see, these are the G kits. You've got enchant. Oh god, enchanter, and then also these are the enchantments you can get. Now these are the random enchantment books you can get as well. So server enchanter, so you got simple enchantment, unique, elite, and ultimate, and then legendary, and then heroic. Now keep in mind we may actually change all of this to our own very soon. And then you can also have a chemist, so you can basically open and get that stuff. You've got tinker as well, so you can. I'll show you how it works. I think that's how it works. Okay. Okay, so we okay, I need to get more XP. 110 plays MC. Now keep on, when you use a certain player name that is on MCP, you got to put the star before the username, just because it recognizes the star. So the star is basically the name of the player, but it just reminds you of this export. So yeah. Whoops. Let's just try now, see if it works. So if we get this, okay, I'm not sure this is gonna work. Hold on, I might have to put this. There we go. If we do enchanter, and then we go to singular, I'm not sure this will work. Oh, okay, I see. So you've got to hold before instead of holding it down. All right. So as you can see, you can actually tinker other stuff. It actually works as well. So you've got tinker, so basically like the bot that allows you to, like, trade. You've got simple secret dust. Right click, contains magic mystery dust, an unidentified satchel of dust. Now we could see what it does. Now that's good. Click to confirm. I don't know if it means me. There we go. I'm not sure what exactly this is. I've only just been looking for I mean, it's been long, but I haven't really checked all these yet. But you've got simple secret dust. Now, if I right click. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what that does. I'm not a factions player anyway, so I assume it failed because it says failed. I don't know. But yeah, we got enchanter. So if you go to enchanter, you can actually get all of the enchantment books of random. Now you can go chemist, and then I'm not sure what this does. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that later. Okay. So let's just see. Okay, so as you can see, we can actually get this. So you got good thing about it is we've got success rate and destroy rate. So you got 85% success rate, 15% destroy rate, a chance to do nausea to your victim. Now these enchants do work on Bedrock Edition, which is pretty dope indeed. Because if you want to play cross compatible, this is something for you. Now you can drag and drop like you do in normal, but the messages will display as if you're on Java, so it's kind of hard to like obtain. So let me just get myself cooked _ beef. I'm about to get 64. Oh no, not that long. 64. There we go. But as you can see, we've got confusion here, so it's pretty dope. Now if we do help, so this is the plugin we use. I'm not sure what it's gonna do. So if you do, also if you do slash enchant, I'm not sure if this works for anyone, but if you do, for me, if you do slash enchant, and then enchant name actually displays the information about it. So yeah, information about obliterate enchantment. Enchantment obliterate applies to swords, max level 5, extreme knockback. So it's pretty dope. You can't do anything to it. It is simply just to tell you what each of the enchants do. Now if we do, does this work or is it the same thing? Yeah, same thing. Alright. Now that's that done. I could probably test it to you to let you know that if it does work, but I think I need another player. Also, the good thing about it is there's a natural enchant on here where you can where a certain percent chance of zombies or blazes spawning and they will attack the opponent. Now this is pretty dope for like faction fights or whatever, but it's pretty dope. Now as I said, this may change in like before the release, but who knows. So yeah. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is I think it's not cell one. I don't know if you're doing cell ones, but cell ones is a possibility. Now we do slash plugins. I don't care if you see it. It's not mine. So also we've got monthly crates. Now we may add monthly crates as well. And I know you probably think I'm lying, but I'm really not. It's I'm just trying to think what else there was, but if you do AMC, that's basically the plugin. Now, I'm not showing. This is not a plugin review, so don't publish it on the website. This is an actual. This is just about the server, about it releasing and stuff. Not releasing, but it's about how it's gonna work and stuff like that. If you do, so basically, there's March. As I said, this is all gonna change probably by the release. You got October crates out. Every month we'll have a new crate out, but I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet. Just let me know what the crate should be in the comments. This will change. Oh no, this guy's gonna kill me. No. There's too many mobs. I'm gonna have to. Peaceful. Did that work? I think it did. Okay, that's good. Oh, I have it peaceful for now because these are very annoying, and I don't really want to deal with it. So if we do, keep in mind, if you do /, it won't work. I think it's because hold on. Okay, none of these won't work. None of these will work. I'm not sure if that's a bug, but I think it's because it's Java a server, and then by default you don't have that as /. So if we do AMC, give, and then I10 please MC, and then let's do 3. Oh, you got to do the crate name as well. The crate name, it is let's do display. I want to see what display does. Let's see that yet. So as you can see, we've got 3 of display monthly crate. I'm not sure what that does. I haven't really checked that out yet, but let's have a look. Ooh. So yeah, as you can see, there's all different types of crates, which in my opinion is pretty dope. So we may add this to the donation store, which is pretty dope. I'm not sure what this is meant to be doing, but we'll just wait and see. I think I know what this is, but it's like a Java edition thing. I don't know. But yeah, that's the display apparently. Now this is my favourite thing. So if we do October crate, I think this works with any apart from display. So let's do 3. Now as you can see, October. Now this is outdated. We're gonna keep updating this regularly just to ensure that it's updated. But good thing about it is the name will cut. The star will also be the name, so it will work the same way as anything else. So it's pretty cool. So as you can see, we've got October monthly crate. If we place it down, as you can see, this is probably my favourite because it goes round and round. I'm not sure why this sounds loud, but as you can see, it does go around just like in Java, or even Cosmic. I think Cosmic does that. I'm not sure, but it does in Java, which is pretty cool. As you can see, it goes around. I love this. I think it's quite long. That's the only downside, but I mean this is OP. And this is 2021, so it means that all of it's going to be too long, I think. But let's just do 2 more. So as you can see, we've got. I mean, that's done. We got done from that, didn't we? I think so. But as you can see, we can go round like that. Okay, it's stopping. I think we can also get iron golem spawners as well. I'm not sure if we're going to get that though. Ooh, okay. So it actually gives you at least 2 items per opening, I think, but I don't know. Now we've got one more. Now the good thing is you can just place it anywhere you want. We may add a natural crate system where you have to like open the crates and spawn. But this is probably the ideal way to do it. Now we're gonna make this fully custom made, so if the enchantment, if custom enchants are actually possible, we can actually create our own enchants, which is pretty cool. Now we've got, well, diamonds was really rare, common, sorry. Now that is it. Now if you do, no, not that. Pouch, no, it's wrong. I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing a different plugin. What am I doing? A pouch list. Now this is the list of pouches you can get. Now if we do give I win 10. I hate doing that. I win 10 plays embassy, and then money pouch, and then we do 3 again. So as you can see, this is a tire. Oh, there's more than one tire, is there? Yeah. Oh, there must be because of different names. Alright then. Place the money pouch to receive a must rate reward of money. Now, the higher, I think the higher tire it goes, the more money it's gonna be. Like the reward, more money basically. I'm not too sure though. But as you can see, tire 1, like, we can get at least 10k to like 50k, which is quite a lot. You know, you never know. But as you can see, this is, I like this animation. It's just a bit, I don't know, a bit weird. Yeah, okay, so we have 29k. I like the animation. It's pretty cool. As you can see, we've got 46k. And we'll do last one. As you can see, we've got 41k. I'm not going to show all of these, but there's also a few other things I want to show you as well. Now the sell ones are hopefully coming. Now basically the thing is, the spoilers that I've been sending on OP factions are real, but then we're not sure if they're going to be implemented due to this massive update that we're going to be having. It's one of the biggest, best update you could ever have, really. But if you want to play Java on the server, go ahead. If you want to play Bedrock on the server, go ahead. But it's just pretty cool how cross-compatible actually occurs on here. But you know. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, there's also gym buckets, and there's also economy on here. So we have a lot because I was testing for testing purposes. But if we get gym buckets, it's actually pretty dope. Now you can get vertical, so that it's basically different sideways ways of actually retrieving them. So you've got scaffold, I think there's horizontal, and so there's vertical, scaffold, and horizontal. So pretty cool. Now the good thing about it is chest yours actually works, so you can implement these plugins into your Bedrock Edition server as well. But it actually technically is Java software, so it's coded in Java, so you know, pretty cool. Now we can get any of these, and I'll show you what each of them do. Okay. I think that's just a part of the protection. Probably because you can only have one or something, I don't know. But as you can see, if we go over here, this is probably the best place to put it. And I'm not sure which way horizontal is, I'm a bit bad like that. But I'm not sure if we're going to change this, but the cost to place it is actually $30. No, yeah, $30. Does this say 30? I think it says 30. I'm not sure. I don't know if this is 30. I think this is 30, yeah, because it says 3. So, as you can see, oh, this is sideways, isn't it? Horizontal sideways. Okay, that's cool to hear. So as you can see, it doesn't go that far, but if you want to put it more, you just do that, and then it will keep going. I mean, it's a bit short. I'm not sure if I can change it, but I mean, it seems pretty cool. I mean, it's better to make it short and go really long, because then it might be unlimited and it might break. So, I guess that's good for something. I'm not sure these are permanent because I'm not even losing any. So I don't know. Let me see how far I can go. Maybe it's unlimited. Oh, I see. So it is unlimited, but you get charged a certain amount, like, to get it. I see. Okay. Vertical. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. So this is vertical. I think it goes up. Yes, it does go up. I assumed right. So this goes up all the way to the building limit height, which is 256, but it goes one below it. So just to prevent some issues or crashes. but it does go up to the build limit, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to go all the way up there for obvious reasons, but I just want to tell you this. Now there's a ton of more things to come. Honestly, this is so cool. Now I don't know if you want to see Sans Cafe. Oh, that's not the type. That's the name of the gen bucket. So it's just vertical and horizontal, I think. Yeah, horizontal. Alright, so basically showed you everything, which is pretty cool. Now there's one thing I don't want to show you. Now this is probably the best out of all of them, or at least one of them. But we have a faction plugin you can do. Now this is a Java edition plugin, but we managed to get it into Bedrock. As you can see, this is a Bedrock edition. Look, you can just tell that it's Bedrock, which is pretty cool. Now you can tell this is Bedrock because look at it. It's obvious. Okay. And now as you can see, this is we do. I don't know if you can see that. Oh god, whoops. Alright, I won't do that just in case. Anyway, so let me just type in chat. I can't type. There we go. But as you can see, this is a Java edition server ported to Bedrock, so Bedrock clients can actually join it. So pretty cool. Now, as I was going to say, so you got faction commands. So if you do fhelp, you can actually upgrade your faction, which is really dope. Probably the best thing about it. And there's upgrades and all sorts. So there's so much commands. I'm not even kidding. What does Discord do? Hold on. Oh my god. Bruh, you can basically set a Discord for it, can you? Hold up. Okay. Let me see. What is this? Oh, okay, so you can basically set like a Discord link off site? I don't know. I don't know how that works, but basically you can apparently make your Discord for the name of your faction. So if you have a link to it, I guess you can go for it. I'm not too sure, but that's actually pretty dope. Now I wonder what the wild does. Okay, so there is actually a faction wild. I'm not sure if that's gonna work because I haven't tested it yet. I haven't tested all of this yet. Hopefully it's gonna work. Maybe yes, no, I don't know. I mean, it's not lagging. I don't think it's just loading in. Or I mean, yeah, one of the two. Okay, now I'm on the ground. Alright, I like it. I'm not sure how far this faction war goes. I'm assuming it's going to go for quite a while. Because, you know. Now, that's the next thing the main thing I want to show you is the upgrades. So you can actually upgrade your faction. So this is not like any other faction stuff, but you can actually upgrade your faction to whatever. Now, you could got territory upgrades. So if you want to manage your inside claims, you can do that. If you want to manage your global upgrades, you can manage global upgrades or anything relating to your faction. I think it's this affect your faction over. I'm not sure what that means. Now these are the options you can do. Now we might go through the other one in a minute. But you've got warp upgrades that increase the max faction warp, so you can go up to levels. TNT bank upgrade. Now upgrade faction TNT bank capacity. Sorry. You've got ally upgrade. Increase max allies possible. You got increase faction member extra power, and it's pretty cool. You got enemy upgrade, and then you've got truce, and you've got chest upgrade, which is pretty dope indeed. Now if you want to go, oh, there's next page is there. Oh, I don't think there is the next page is there. I think that's it. I don't know why it says next page if you can't go to the next page, but anyway. Now, why is cat when we turn on? I don't know. But if we go to territory, now this is all the claim related things. You're standing your own territory. Okay, so you've got a claim before you upgrade your claim. I'm not sure what this does. Claim you're standing in. I don't know what this is though. I think this is. I'll actually try it. Real quick. Okay, that's just a weird bug for Minecraft Bedrock. But if we do claim, ooh, okay. So if we try to upgrade again, would that work? I think I might break it. Oh, what the heck? Did I break the game? I think I might have broke the plugin. Oh, whoops. I don't know what this does. I think this might be broken. I'm not sure. Okay, so it says choose the claim, so it might be currently broken. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's pretty dope. And I like the title as well. Now, there is going to be some lag here and there. But also, another thing I want to show you guys is we have a vanish plugin that's for Java. Now, you probably are familiar with this from every other YouTuber that makes this video, but there's basically a vanish system. Now, this is better than super vanish, which probably you will know if you're a Java user. And good thing about it is it supports scoreboards without a plugin, so pretty dope. Now, the TPS is 19.5, which is a decently amount. It's not going to lag as much. The only reason why it lags for me is because I am Bedrock, and Bedrock clients tend to lag a bit, especially on a Java Edition server that's not meant for Bedrock. So, yeah, pretty cool. Now, target none. So we do the target invalid usage. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. I don't know why I need to change the message usage, but if we do, okay. If we do TP to target, okay, so it must be for people that are online. You might have to make a target or something. But yes, yeah, so there's a time. The current time is 3:45 PM. I'm surprised it does my time. I'm not sure if it's local time or it's the plugin time. I'm not sure. Hopefully that is local time because the people will know what the time is for them. Pretty dope. And then you've got the date, which is not the year and date and stuff. You've got the 2020, 11th of the 4th. I'm not sure if it's meant to the other way, 11th of 2020. I don't know. Just me, I think. Maybe it is. I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm just loving this update. Like, this update's going to be the best update we've ever had on VoidMiner PE. That's going to be. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I'm not sure if we're going to make that into the hub, but make it only certain IP. I'm not too sure. That hasn't been decided yet. But if you do, guys, enjoy the video, be sure to like. And if you guys are hyped for this update, be sure to let me know in the comments and leave a like. Let's get this to as much likes as we can if we want to release it. So, this is all bearing in my mind, you know. It's pretty cool. Now, the original idea I was going to do was the tokens. We may still do that, but I'm not sure what's. Yeah, I don't even know how that works. But I just want to say this update is going to be the best for OP factions. Now, we're not sure we're going to make this to every server, but for now we're going to make it to OP factions. Now, the OP factions will not be released on the Network Rebrand 2.0, but it may release on either 3 or 4.0. Now, that's for me, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome day. Leave a like, and I'll see you guys very soon. This might be quite a long video, so bear in mind. Thank you guys for watching. An awesome day, and peace.